Hey, what's up? My name's Joe Risk, and I got a tool that I want to introduce to you. I've been working on this for the past couple months, and I'll give you an introduction behind it. I've been in the game for almost 23 years, and over those years, I have broken 3 Ford windshields. I'm not proud of it, but I learned from it, and it brought me to the realization of going, hey, somebody needs to make a tool to get these mirrors off right, and that's what I did. I think you're going to like what you're about to see. I'm happy to present the Tyrant. Let me get the camera set up and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Alright guys, now that I got the camera set up, I can show you how to work this. First thing you want to know, the most important part about removing this mirror with this tool is you want to get the mirror loose. And what I mean by loose is you need to give it just a little bit of play. These things get so locked on there after years of sitting in the sun and taking all that abuse and whatnot, and they're just pretty much glued on there. What you want to do, and what I like to do, once you get it, let's just go ahead and snap it on there so you know it's on there. Okay, what I like to do is I'll take my spray bottle, I'll get up under there, shoot it a couple times. I might take the butt of my Blue Max or even like a screwdriver hammer, just kind of give it a couple of taps. And the reason for that is you want to get it to where it wiggles just a little bit. And the wiggle, do you hear that? You see that? Hear that wiggle I'm going back and forth with? That's what you want. Once you get it to wiggle, you are 10 times more likely to get this mirror off with no problems. Let me show you how this tool works. Once you have it in your hand, you're going to kind of see it. I can kind of go over all the angles of it, but it just works. Here's how you use it. Since I'm right-handed, I take my left hand and I set it up just like this to the mirror. And I come at it almost a 90-degree angle with it. And I'm going to use my thumb as a guide. And it's kind of, my left thumb does a lot of the work. You center it up, and then with your left thumb you bring it in, you start to push just with your left thumb, just like this. So you kind of bring it down, and it's going to start to curl under with the shape of the mirror. With your right hand, you just kind of let it, you bring it down with it, and the first thing it's going to do is going to shift on you. And you might hear it or see it. As you continue to bring it down, there you go. That was the shift, okay? Now, continue to put a little bit of pressure with your left thumb, and then while you're pushing down with your right, pops right off. I know, crazy. All the other tools that you've seen on the market, you want to see it one more time? Okay, you know it's on there. You see the tabs. It's on. Let's do that one more time just for you guys. Definitely you're going to want to get one of these in your pouch, in your toolbox, wherever you keep your stuff, and you might want to order 2 of them if you're like me. I lose all my tools. So again, come in almost at a 90-degree angle, and then you can see as I'm just bringing down with my thumb, and then I'm going to basically just kind of put a little bit of pressure in with both hands. Okay, there was the shift, and then I push just a little bit harder, and there it goes. Guys, after all these years making your own tools, breaking a few windshields, I introduce to you the Tyrant. Pick yours up today. The link's below.